CATIA Mechanism Simulation Designer Static Study Application. The new Simulia Static Study application enriches the Mechanism Simulation Designer role to validate your CATIA design directly on the 3D Experience platform. In this demonstration, we will use the Static Study application to validate the design of the headlamp support bracket directly from CATIA. To understand the forces acting on the brackets, we will use the BI Essentials query for weight distribution. This will give us the static weight of the headlamp. Combined with consideration for loads during operation and a factor of safety, the brackets will have to support around 50 newtons. Material with detailed properties necessary for simulation can be easily created or directly applied from an extensive library. The Static Study app is launched from the south quadrant of the compass. Here, the Simulation Assistant will guide us through the process of setting up the study. Assemblies can contain many parts that do not contribute to the structural design. These are detected automatically, and the user can also pick which parts to include or exclude in the study. Contact detection finds surface pairs instantly and creates connections automatically to provide accurate simulation results, so designers do not have to spend time in describing the design intent for structural studies. For the bracket, the interfaces which will be in contact with the fork are clamped or fixed in place. Multiple geometrical features like surfaces, points, and edges can be selected together directly in 3D. When features are selected, available loading options are provided in an immersive panel. A force is applied to the headlamp support bolt. Now the assistant displays that all prerequisites are satisfied and the model can be simulated. Appropriate mesh for the model is automatically generated and the analysis is initiated. Upon execution, a contour plot for the stress developed in the model is displayed. Areas where maximum stress occurs can be seen. The maximum stress developed in the model is much less, and there is room for redesign to reduce material usage. Animations can help understand the flow of stresses in the model and aid in redesign. Other plots for deformation, displacement, and reaction forces can be visualized. Simulation reports can be created and shared instantly. Contents of the simulation report are picked and a report is generated. The report template automatically captures images for all the necessary model loading conditions and results. It also provides detailed information about the material properties and mesh quality. This bracket design can be modified to reduce the amount of material used. Quick and simple redesign steps like increasing areas for the cutouts or reducing the thickness can be employed. The simulation created earlier recognizes the changes made and the designer is notified that the results are displayed are out of date. The model is simulated again directly without the need to describe the loading conditions over. The new design is validated to be sufficiently strong to carry the headlamp, and this simple redesign will save over 15% of material costs compared to the original design.